fourth wife, we present
to Nelly
Umbonu. The biggest
tornado.
The flyest tornado.
The baddest chef with a tattoo.
Forever.
I'll find out. There should what?
Fuck around.
I'll find out.
Yes.
We present to you the token of 10 million naira.
Now we need Ella for that sound.
Oh my god! So it cracked.
Nelly vest.
Oh wow! Oh my god!
Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry.
Sorry, don't cry.
Sorry, don't cry.
Don't cry.
Don't cry.
Don't cry. Nelly vest.
Oh my gosh!
For you.
Yes, you deserve it. You deserve it, and more.
You used to be a finalist. Like you didn't come back home and start watching the show for it to
At all.
end.
No.
This is coming from ice cream, oh.
We love you. We love you. We love you so much.
Oh my God,
thank you so much, everyone. I don't know how to thank all of you.
Food support.
I mean, you need to get this.
Yes, I'm getting it.
Thank you. So the check should be down. Yes, just be getting it. You don't
Yeah.
have to get my face.
Yes.
Just get my brand. You guys, thank you so much. I really
Wow.
appreciate.
Wow.
10 million. Ah, God.
But
Without shoes by Clara. Don't worry, when I rock it, you see. You guys, we don't do Okrika shoes over here.
did you hear that? Did
No
you hear
Okrika
that?
shoes, please.
Ooh.
Look at the color.
So here we have. I got the industrial fryer. Industrial fryer. Ha. Then I got this stay connected voucher
What is the oven?
for all my. The oven is over there. For all my, data, so I can always come on live. So I don't ghost my Nellyverse. Then I got this very big oven.
So the last one just dropped. That's so good.
You don't need to open it.
Here we have, what is this? All Johnny destination voucher.
So
Anywhere I'm going to is covered, right?
10 million from Nelly vest
To food support.
to food support.
So let's see. Okay, so here, as you can see, there's no money in this account before. So everything, I got 10 million from my Nellyverse. So from who? Blessing, Nellyverse loves you. And what's your name? Yeah, that's cool. Then I got this very cute jewelry box.
This is a real gift.
Yes, actually.
This is a real gift.
Actually.
Very
Because
thoughtful, okay.
Oh my God, you guys are so thoughtful.
I'm eating cheese on mine. Yay!